CB MMA team, and especially Faizan. Thank you so much for having me here and helping me getting this baby. And yeah, especially that guy over there who's rooting for me all the time from day one. Finally, I have something very important to say, that I dedicated this fight to all the martyr students who died because of terrorist attacks in my country. You know, we fight against terrorism. We, especially me out here and my fellow who's going to fight next week, are trying to be the ambassador of peace for our country. We're out here to give our message of peace and solidarity. We are no different than you people. So I am a student and I'm an ambassador of all the students of Pakistan. And all those 19 people who died, who were martyrs, this one's dedicated to all of you. For the martyrs of Peshawar, Bacha Khan University. This one's for all of you watching from up there. This one's for you guys. Thank you so much once again, everyone.
Ladies and gentlemen,